Hi everyone, today I am going to solve the question of the JEE Mains which is asked in the 2021, which is based on the a plus b plus c ka whole square, which you have studied in class 9, a plus b plus c ka whole square, which you may know also if you studied the class 9, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So this is a very simple identity, but how the question can be complex over this identity as it is asked in the JEE, so it is something a complex even though the identity is very simple. So I am going to solve you and teach you how to understand the approach of the question. So as you are able to get that, we have given if the a plus b plus c is 1 and a a into b plus bc plus c is equal to 2 and abc is equal to 3, as we have given abc is equal to 3, then find the value of a per power 4 plus b per power 4 plus c per power 4. So how you have to think that how to approach this question. So for this just you have to understand as we have the a plus b plus c whole square, we know that this can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab bc and ca. So as you able to know as you know that this identity can be opened in this way, and think that when you square these three there is 3 a square plus b square c square, you will get the power a p power 4 b p power 4 c p power 4. So as you able to think that how to approach the question, so just go with the solutions and the simplification mainly, then you will able to find out the answer. So as we open this identity like this, so for this we have to just find the value of this one, then we will square of this, then we will get this one, and this is going to be answer. So as you know that a plus b plus c is the 1, so I write here the 1 ka square plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into, as you know that a into b c plus ca, we have the given the 2, so write here the 2. So we get here the 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, and here we get the 4. So make this 4 into the left side, so it will become the minus 4 this side, and when it is subtract, so it will become the minus 3 a square plus b square plus c square. So as we reach to this level, that this can be written as the a square plus b square plus c square minus 3. So as we reach to this level, as we know that when we square this one, when we square both of side of this one, then we will reach to the power 4, and this is going to be our answer. So square this one. So when we are squaring both side this identity, squaring the both side, we will get here the a p power 4 plus b p power 4 c p power 4 plus 2 into a square b square, and then we will get the b square c square and c square a square. Then here it is the square of 3 we will get, which is the becomes the 9. So as we get as we have to find the value of this one, so right here the a per power 4 b power 4 c per power 4, and make this all to left side because we have to find the value of this one. So right here the 9 minus 2 into a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. So if you have to find the value of this one in the question, so that you must have to know the value of this thing, then only you could find the value of this one. So think how you are going to get the value of this all thing. As you are able to see that this same thing is written here, but the power is the 1 in all the values, but here you are have to find the power in the 2. So just square this one both the side. So as we have the ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 2, when you square both the side you will get the power 2. So try this thing. So squaring both the side this one, you will get a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square plus 2 into AB BC plus BC CA and then CA AB. So and it is equal to the 4 and 2 square is equal to 4. As you have to find the value of this one, so that the whatever the value is going to come, you will put in this equation and you are able to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So just find the value of this one. For this, let's, this is the whole, this 3, let's suppose the x, because we have to write multiple times, so that we let all this thing is the x, then the find the value of x, that means the 4 minus 2 into here you could take the common in all this thing, which is the ABC. ABC can be taken as the common in this thing. So when you will take the common, here we remains the B and C, and here will remains the A. So this is going to be the x. X means all these three values. So the A plus B plus C, we know that, which is equal to 1, and 4 is equal to 2 into, and we also know that A, B, C, we have the 3. So write here the 3 and the 1. So as we get here, the x is equal to 4 minus, here we get the 6. So x is equal to, we get the minus 2. X means this value, a square b square plus b square c square. So as you put this x here, because it is equal to x, so here we will get 9 into 2 into minus 2, which is equal to the 9 plus 4, which is equal to the 13. So the value or the answer is going to the 13. I think you understand that based on the simple formula a plus b plus c whole square, how critical question can be made. But if your approach is simple and let's do the question, then you will able to solve the very difficult question in the easy way. And thank you for today.